shift with my Sergeant C, or what I like to call him, Sergeant See You Later, which is actually quite funny if you think about it. He's got quite big ears if you look out there. Anyways, because I was mean and talking behind my day shift sergeant, I sort of got moved over to night shift because just as a punishment. Don't know why they thought that would be a great idea, but yeah, they just did for some reason. Like, suspend me with pay. That's a better punishment, don't you think? Anyways, hopefully it will be a nice quiet shift. Today. Okay, Sergeant Meanie Pants. Oh shoot, I'm gonna get told off. Alright. I said Sergeant C. Because that's your name, sir. Anyways, I need to refill my gun, sir. Ooh, good thing, Sergeant Meanie Pants. Oh, cool. Okay. Where is that at? Ooh, jewelry store. Oh. Alarm. Okay, sir. Yes, sir. I guess. Ooh, looks like EMS are just doing some random driving. I guess they just like to drive around, getting some donuts and coffee, you know. Oh, here we are. Just pulling up right now, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah. 7 Adam 15. We've got a car fleeing jewelry store or black car headed down past fire department, headed into a Chinatown, taking a lost eyes on suspect. Trying to regain eyes on them. Description of the car was a black car. Lost eyes on suspect. Will re-engage in pursuit once received eyes. Trying to locate suspect. Sergeant, I think we should probably split up. Trying to look for this suspect. Oh wait, just found them. Headed down, should probably have the street names open. Oh shoot. Just taking a right past fire station. Suspect is headed back towards jewelry store. Oh, just almost hit a car. Suspect is going down past. I'm gonna edit that part out. Suspect has stopped. Car on fire. Put your hands up right now, miss. I said put your hands up. You go into cuff, I'll cover you. We should probably get her checked out by EMS since her car's, caught on fire, she might be a bit hurt. Can we please have EMS to the front, to Independence Parkway and Gibson Lane? We've got a female who could possibly have some burns. Over. Paramedics never get here on time, do they? Yeah, I've called for paramedics. They should hopefully be here soon. I guess just... Sergeant, are you forgetting that we're both wearing body cams? You're going to be deleting these? Yep, okay. Let's still get the ambulance to check her out. In case, you've just given her brain damage. Anyways, we're not going to talk about that, I guess. Here comes EMS. Finally. Took them 2 hours, I swear. Just come on, pull up. It's not that hard to drive. If we know you're late. Ma'am, prisoners do not have the right to do that. Anyways, I think we should probably be reading her Miranda rights, right? Ma'am, you have the right to remain silent. If you say anything you say or do can be used against you in the court of law. Or do you understand your rights as I've given them to you? Okay, good. Sergeant, should I ride with her in the ambulance to the hospital since she's in our custody? Oh, since your ankle's hurt, sir, you might as well take a ride with him, right? I'll make sure your car doesn't get stolen. I think my sergeant here is since he's very old. I think he's twisted his ankle whilst just pursuing the suspect. Could you just quickly take a look at his ankles for me? Thank you. Yes, you are, sir. To be a sergeant, you must be like, what, 55 years old? What's that? I swear that's how old all... Really? Since when did they let 30-year-olds be, sergeants? Depends what's open. What? Okay. Yeah, anyways, we should probably go take her to the hospital. We should probably follow them by... Okay, I'll follow you, in the police car, okay? Okay, sir. Hopefully you don't trip whilst going back to your car. We don't want you to, have back pains as well. Yep, I'll follow the ambulance. Oops, I guess I should be wearing, I should have my lights on, my headlights